And just like that, we have perfect boiled eggs. Perfectly peeled. Now, how do you make the perfect boiled egg? You know, sometimes when you crack that egg and you're trying to peel it, it adheres to the shell, adheres to the egg itself. It's a pain in the butt. It really is, and you got pitted up eggs, and I just don't like it. So, I've kind of played around with this a little bit, and the best way that I find is take your eggs, go into the water, just like so. We're gonna do 6 today. Start them off in your water at room temperature. You're gonna go up to a boil. Once you boil, I like to go about 7.5 to 8 minutes of a hard boil. And the reason I do that is because if you drop a hot egg in boiling water, a lot of times, you've seen this before, it'll crack. So the eggs have been boiling for 7.5 to 8 minutes. We're gonna take them off of the heat. I'm just gonna use this big slotted strainer. I'm gonna go right over here into an ice bath. That's going to shock them. That's what I was talking about a while ago, where we just want to cool down the temperature and stop them from cooking. Six perfectly peeled eggs. That's all there is to it.
Yet, yo.